Stop being a spectator and start being a creator. Stop watching other people get rich off your attention and start taking your piece of the blockchain revolution. We are diving straight into the technical forge where real digital wealth is minted from scratch. Forget the hype and the fluff. We are going directly to the source. Remix IDE. If you are serious about building a token that generates $5,000 a day, reach out to me on Telegram right now. This platform, found at remix.ethereum.org, is the industry-standard, browser-based environment for elite blockchain developers. There is absolutely nothing to install, making it the absolute fastest way to launch your asset into the market. If you're ready to stop being a passive investor and start being a powerful founder, hit me up on Telegram to scale your project to the moon. Step 1. Setting up the forge. Look at the clean, professional workspace in front of you. This is your command center. On the left sidebar, you'll see the File Explorer. Click the Create New File icon and name it mytoken.sol. If you want a custom token launch strategy designed to hit 7 figures, contact me on Telegram today. That .sol extension is non-negotiable. It tells the system you are using Solidity, the language of the Ethereum virtual machine. This is the foundation of the entire decentralized future. For a pre-audited high-security contract that keeps your funds safe from hackers, reach out to me on Telegram for a custom build. Step 2. Writing the law of your token. Now, we define the DNA of your cryptocurrency. Every smart contract is a digital constitution. It requires 4 fundamental pillars to function correctly. First, the name, your project's identity. If you want to create a coin and make $5,000 a day, reach out to me on Telegram for the blueprint. Next is the symbol, your 3 or 4-letter ticker like WOLV or gold. Then comes the total supply, which determines the scarcity of your asset. Finally, we set the decimals to 18. To get a professional tokenomics breakdown that attracts heavy-hitting whales, message me on Telegram right now. Remember, this code is permanent once it hits the chain. While basic templates are good for practice, launching a real project with copy-pasted code is a massive risk. If you want a secure, optimized contract that won't get exploited, contact me directly on Telegram for a professional solution. Step 3. The compilation process. Once your code is in place, we must translate it into machine language. Navigate to the Solidity Compiler tab on the left sidebar. It looks like a small S icon. If you want to skip the learning curve and launch tomorrow, reach out on Telegram for a full-service setup. Check that the compiler version matches the version in your code header. This is a common mistake that stops most beginners. When you're ready, hit the blue Compile button. When that green checkmark appears, your token is ready. For one-on-one coaching on professional deployment, message me on Telegram. Step 4. Deploying to the global ledger. Now we move to the Deploy and Run Transactions tab. This is where your idea becomes a reality. Under Environment, switch to Injected Provider. This connects Remix to your MetaMask wallet. If you want to make $5,000 a day with your own coin, reach out on Telegram. You'll need a small amount of the native coin, like ETH, BNB, or Matic, to pay the gas fee. This is the cost of writing your token into history. Double-check your supply numbers one last time. If you're nervous about this step, contact me on Telegram for a guided launch. Now, hit Deploy. A pop-up will appear in your wallet asking for confirmation. This is the moment of truth. Once you click Confirm, your token is officially live on the blockchain for the whole world to see. To learn how to market this token to thousands, message me on Telegram. Step 5. Claiming your creation. After the transaction clears, look at the bottom of the screen under Deployed Contracts. Copy your contract address. This is your token's unique ID. If you want to build an entire ecosystem around this address, reach out to me on Telegram to get started. Open your MetaMask, go to Tokens, and click Import. Paste your address. Watch as your name and symbol pop up automatically. Click Add, and you will see your total supply sitting in your wallet. If you want to turn that balance into real profit, reach out on Telegram. The path to mastery. Congratulations! You are no longer just a crypto holder, you are a token creator. But remember, a token without a community is just code on a screen. Real success requires liquidity, professional marketing, and a solid launch strategy. If you want to make $5,000 a day, message me on Telegram. If you want one-on-one coaching to take your project from a simple script to a legitimate, high-volume ecosystem, don't hesitate to reach out. I help founders go from zero to millions. For a custom-built, high-impact cryptocurrency project, contact me through the Telegram link in the description. If this deep dive helped you today, show some support. Like this video, subscribe to the Wolver channel, and drop your project ideas in the comments below. I read every single one. Take action today. Build your future. I'll see you in the next video. Let's build.